Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. and you're watching the Olive Oil Co. Kitchen Morning Edition. The only product that you're going to need from our store, guys, is the Baklouti green chili olive oil. It's just going to give this dish some nice spice. But we are making eggs with ginger and garlic and green onion. It is a very West Indian egg style dish. Hold on. Morning, boys. So yeah, we're just going to get some extra virgin olive oil in the pan, and I'm going to show you how much you need of everything. Now when you go to use the Baklouti, you actually don't need a whole lot. It's only because the recipe called for jalapenos if you have them. If you don't, you can go ahead and use the Baklouti, so I'm just going to put a little drizzle right in the middle here. Yeah, that's pretty good. So when it comes to the ginger and garlic, you really only need half a clove of garlic. For the ginger, I'm just going to show you size comparison to my pinky of how much you need of that. Obviously everyone's pinky is going to be a different size from mine, but this is really all I need just for me. We're going to mince these up. So our olive oil is to temperature. We're just going to add our minced ginger and garlic to this. And I'm just going to turn this down to about between 2 and 3 so it doesn't saute them too much. While that is sauteing, you want to chop up an entire green onion. Now because I don't have jalapeno, what I'm doing is I'm adding some of Rosanna's poblano peppers to this. You can find these at Our Kitchen Brantford or even Wild Time Kitchen on King George Road. So I'm just going to plop this in here. Just a little bit more. And then I've got my whole green onion I'm going to throw in here. Do a light saute of those. The smell is coming from this. Because I'm using the Rosanna's peppers, I'm not going to need the salt that the recipe calls for. Already salivating. Now as those finish sauteing, you want 2 eggs for this. I'm just going to go ahead and beat these up and get them ready. Now you can see the green onions turning nice and bright green, so I'm going to go ahead and add my egg. Eggs, plural. Once those are in there, because we're doing scrambled, I'm just going to mix everything into the egg. And just keep mixing until you get to your preferred scrambled egg consistency. So at this point we're pretty much to the consistency that I like. So I'm just going to take this off heat and get my toast ready. This is literally my favorite breakfast right now, guys. The first time I tried this, it literally blew my mind just how good ginger is with eggs. You guys definitely need to try this. If you like this video and this recipe, please leave a like and subscribe. It is the morning, so hopefully I'm doing this right. But if you enjoyed it, please, you have to try this. It is amazing. We will see you guys next time. I may not do a breakfast edition again. We'll see. We'll see. My morning voice.